Good morning. This project is part of my virtual internship at Oasis Infobyte. So the title of project is Unemployment Analysis with Python. So in this project, we have two datasets. So we are working with both datasets side by side. So the very first step is to import all necessary libraries, and then we have to load both datasets. After that, we see the shape and a few instances from the both datasets and the data types of each column in both datasets. And then we see the null values in the dataset. So the second dataset has no null value and the first dataset has 28 null values. And the first dataset also contains 27 duplicated rows. So this code shows the names of each column in dataset. So it is clear that many column names contain leading white spaces, so we have to remove them. And this code shows categories, unique categories in each categorical column of both datasets. This is the data cleaning part, where first of all I removed all null values, and then I renamed all column names and remove their leading white spaces and convert them to lower space for the convenience, and then converted the date column into date time data type. So here is the look of data after cleaning. And then I concatenate both data sets. So I have to remove few columns like area, region, dot one, longitude and latitude. Then I have added few new columns like month and year, which are extracted from the date column. So here is the enjoyable part of. So this is the part of exploratory data analysis. So in the first step, I see that different data is gathered for same region on same date. So I took mean of all such data and then asked some questions like which state has highest average and lowest average estimated unemployment rate and has the lowest and average estimated labor participation rate. So this is the question that which state has highest estimated unemployment rate over time. So it is clear that you can see a Tripura region or a Tripura state has the highest unemployment rate for consecutive 11 months. This shows the three states that has the highest unemployment rate over time. And this code shows the lowest unemployment rate over time. Here I calculated the correlation coefficient between all columns. So this shows that the correlation is very less in the fifth month of 2020. This code shows unemployment rate, estimated labor participation rate, and estimated employed rate over time for every region. For every region. And you can see that in the fifth month of 2020, many regions have highest unemployment rate and lower employed rate or lower labor participation rate. Thank you. Bye.